From Madhya Pradesh, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi has just landed in Madhya Pradesh. As far as today's program is also concerned, he's landed in Bhopal, and we'll be shortly getting you those pictures as well as the Prime Minister's visit to Madhya Pradesh is concerned. And he will be unveiling as far as Indore's first ever metro corridor and marking a major milestone in the city's urban development, and alongside two new airports also as far as when it comes to giving a significant boost to air connectivity and infrastructure in the state. In Bhopal, the Prime Minister will also be addressing a mega rally that is dedicated entirely to women. How important and significant is that, Pragya?
Absolutely, and women in fact have emerged as a very strong vote bank as far as BJP is concerned, and not just that. Prime Minister personally has been very focused on the development and also equitable nature of the role of women in the country. And this particular program is also dedicated to the 300th anniversary of Ahilya Bai Holkar. In fact, if you remember, Prime Minister, when he inaugurated the redevelopment project and renovation of Kashi Vishwanath Temple, there was also a statue of Ahilya Bai Holkar because she represents the revivalism of the Indian culture, the renovation of the temple that she undertook. In fact, she had emerged as someone who has fought fought at a level where she wanted to renovate all the temples that have been destroyed by Mughals. So she is one ideal and also epitome of someone who stood for culture, who stood for religion and also heritage of the country. And this is exactly why this particular program has been arranged in Bhopal by Madhya Pradesh government, and Prime Minister was more than happy to attend this. And also these women who have become economically stronger after many schemes have been launched by the central government, be it self-help groups or Lakpati Didi programs, the kind of economical independence that these women have seen through these initiatives. In fact, these are all part of these women are going to be the part of this particular event as well. So this is also a change that the government policies are bringing in the society, and this is exactly what the Prime Minister had always been focusing on, that your policies should be like this, that it should bring a change in the society. Yes. And given the fact that there was a situation
let me get